Take another close look at Leviticus 23. Have the 7 feasts of the Lord been fulfilled in Yeshua? The New Testament says yes in all 7, including the ultimate fulfillment of them all at his return. They are each called in Hebrew a holy mikra, meaning holy rehearsals. In English, they're often translated as convocations or solemn assemblies, but mikra means a rehearsal, making it clear that Yeshua would ultimately fulfill them all. Here's the kicker, though. The 7 feasts of Leviticus 23 are first preceded by the command to keep the Sabbath. But you know what it's called? It too is called a mikra, a rehearsal to be fulfilled in Yeshua. Therefore, all 7 feasts as well as the Sabbath have been fulfilled in Yeshua. The entire New Testament, including Yeshua himself, the Apostle Paul in Hebrews 4, all scream, if you are in Yeshua, born again, you are keeping the Sabbath regardless of which day you worship and rest. Colossians 2 says, let no man judge you concerning a Sabbath day. This was a mere shadow of what was to come in Yeshua. If you are in Yeshua, in other words, you are keeping the Sabbath regardless of the day you choose.